Hello! Today I am going to do a video about my hair because my hair has been through some stuff. my hair is I don't know if you can tell how damaged it really is. Like, this is a lot better than it used to be, but even now at the ends it's just not very thick at all, whereas like up here there's a lot more hair. Actually no, there isn't, it's all just fallen out. So at the moment, as you can see, my natural hair is very dark. It's like a dark brown. I think the ends used to be a bit lighter. It was kind of a medium brown colour, I think. I don't even know, it's been a long time. Then some mental part of my brain decided, you know what you need to do? You need to dye your hair. And I was like, oh, okay. Basically, I've got all the pictures. I've got 40 photos of times that my hair changed. Well, the times that I dyed my hair over the past probably about 6 years, 5 years maybe. Because when I was in school, I had it highlighted a couple times, but I never did anything drastic with it because obviously I was still in school, except for this one time. There's one time in year 8 I thought it would be a good idea to chop off all my beautiful long hair. It was really long and it was all natural and nice, and I chopped it off to like here. Well, the hairdresser did. I was going to say dentist then. The hairdresser chopped off all my hair to here, and I also had a dodgy fringe that was kind of like this. I don't have a picture of it because it was so bad. I just didn't want any photos taken of me at this time. But I looked like a middle-aged exam invigilator. It was just awful. Anyway, so I started off with, you know, medium brown hair. Obviously it was in good condition because it was all natural. But yeah, it was kind of a medium brown to dark brown, wavy, kind of frizzy, quite frizzy actually. Then, time I was in year 8 was about the first time I dyed it red. Then I had it highlighted. And then in about 2015 it was just kind of a long, almost natural colour, just back to where it used to be basically. And then I highlighted it. Then I bleached the ends. I can hear my dog. Then I dyed it purple. It came out kind of a reddy purple sort of colour. Then I highlighted it again. Hello Babs, come in my child. Hello. And she's already eaten stuff.
No, come on, stop this, please. Come on, darling. Sit on my bed.
Okay. No. Oi, come on. Grab your dog by the foot. This is my dog. She snorts. And she's very confused by what's going on right now. So I'll just let her sit here and snort all the way through this video. So yeah, then I highlighted it. Shut up. Then I dyed it bright pink. Then it was bright pink for a while. Then the bright pink faded to like a weird kind of pastel-y pink colour. And then I dyed it purple. Then I dyed it red. Then I used colour before to get the red out. Most of the colour dyes I used were Schwarzkopf, I don't know how you say it, but that brand. Then I bleached it 3 times in one day. And yeah, it went blonde. And then I dyed it blue. Stupid idea. It was a nice colour blonde and I just ruined it. And then I dyed it silver, which was nice for a bit. And then yeah, my hair was kind of white, but it was so damaged you couldn't even run your fingers through it. I put just all conditioner all through my hair and I could not get my fingers past here. So I was like, maybe I should stop dyeing it. So then I actually went to the hairdressers and they were like,
wow, oh my god, what have you done?
So they sorted it out to a nice colour blonde. And then I dyed it brown, so it was dark brown for a bit. I then went to the hairdressers to ask if they could balayage it, stick some more bleach on it, and they were like,
no, honey, if I put bleach on that, it's gonna fall off and die.
So I was like, okay, what can I do then? and this nice lady who didn't ruin my hair, which is nice, she dyed it a dark brown to kind of match my roots. So I was like, okay, sure, and then it was nice for a bit. It was really shiny and kind of healthy looking. Then what did I do? I bleached the ends. Which is a very bad idea, because at this point it was just hair that was bleached before, which had brown dye on it, and then I put more bleach on it and it would stretch when it was wet, so I could pull it and be like, ooh. So don't do that. Hi, this is me editing. I realise now that this video makes me look incredibly vain, but I don't know, I guess I just took photos every time I changed my hair, and I guess I do take selfies a lot, sorry. Then I kept my fringe, so I had a full fringe for like 2 days, because I hated it after. And then I used colour before on it to get rid of that brown dye that poor hairdresser put on my hair, so it was kind of blondish again. Hello, Bubs. And then I dyed it pink again, and then it faded to this weird colour, kind of pinky blondie colour, rose gold I guess. And then that faded to blonde, which was nice, and then I had it cut short. I think I cut it myself. I cut fringe again, that lasted like 3 days. And then I can see that I started to grow out my natural hair again. But I had the blonde on the ends, so that looked nice for a bit, but now I couldn't leave it like that, so I bleached my roots again. And then I kind of like that, then I got bored. Yes, Babs, hello darling. This is my current situation. There is a dog. Yeah, so then I dyed it red. And then that faded to a brown, and it stayed like that for a while, I think. And then I dyed it blue. And then I dyed it blue, so it was bright blue for a bit. Then that faded, shut up. Then that faded to green, so I had green hair for a bit. Then I dyed that brown, so it's kind of like a dark greeny brown. Alright, Babs. And then I think I used colour before on it again to get the green out, and it was just kind of a light brown. So then, yeah, then I left it alone for about 6 months, which is pretty impressive. And then that's when I recently dyed it this colour, because I don't know, really. I kind of ruined it. I wanted to grow it out, but something inside me needed to have it dyed again. So, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's just what my hair has been through. It's currently in rehab. I've been putting hair masks on it and conditioner and just trying to do like the curly girl method and stuff to try and take care of it better. Yeah, it's not doing too good, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to be. So yeah, that's my current situation. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Shush! And I will see you again soon with another video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, that would be nice. Give it a thumbs up for my dog, if nothing else. I mean, look at her. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Oh, hello, baby.